Hello, this video will demonstrate how to access sample datasets on WRDS. Browse to the WRDS website through a link on the library webpage or from a link that you've saved in your bookmarks. Once you reach the WRDS site, you'll see a login screen. Click the link to log in to WRDS. If you do not have a WRDS password and account, browse to this page on our library website. Duke faculty and students can click this link to register for a WRDS account. The WRDS homepage lists a brief summary of the data sets that Duke University has subscribed to. To access all of the data sets that are available at WRDS, as well as those that Duke has subscribed to, click either the Get Data link at the top of this page and choose All Data, or choose the Data Dashboard link at the top right corner here. The data dashboard groups data by provider type. The first group here are those created by WRDS to supplement subscriptions of third-party data services. Scrolling further down the page, you will see third-party databases. Subscribed third-party databases are in blue. Unsubscribed third-party databases are grayed out. If you continue scrolling, you will see sample datasets. These are datasets that are for the most part available free of charge for inspection and evaluation to assist you in deciding if the full dataset listed above will meet your research needs. Rather than scrolling, it may be easier to use the browsing features and filters to the right of the page. To view sample datasets only, click Sample under Type. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll show you how to access sample datasets from 3 vendors that focus on environmental, social, and governance issues and data. The first dataset that we'll direct you to is from the vendor Refinitiv. Refinitiv is known on WRDS as Thomson Refinitiv. Bear in mind that Refinitiv refers to the vendor who creates the database, not the database itself. You can see here, these are trial sample sets that have not been activated for inspection. If you would like to evaluate a trial data set, please contact us at please contact us at the Ford Library. Scrolling down, we see data sets in the Refinitiv ESG trial. To query these, you can choose them here and then submit your query from this screen on the web. You can also access queries from SAS, R, or other remote tools if you are a faculty or PhD member. Please note that sample data only contains a few companies, but it should give you enough information to evaluate the types of data that are available. To view the variables that are available in a sample data set, click the Variable Descriptions tab. This will give you a listing of the variables available in both the sample data set and the full data set. There is also a tab for manuals and overviews that will allow you to download manuals specific to the data sample that you're evaluating. We've shown you how to reach trial data for Refinitiv. Now we'll look at 2 other ESG data providers. Return to the Get Data screen using the breadcrumbs navigation at the top of the page. Choose Sample again on the right. The next data set that we will look at is from the CompuStat Capital IQ family of databases by Standard & Poor's. Click this link, scroll down the page, and you will see the S&P ESG sample data sets that are available here. As with the Refinitiv data sets, click the link to browse and query these data sets through WRDS. Again, please note that these are only a small sample of the companies available, intended to allow you to evaluate the data for possible subscription. The final data set that we'll demonstrate how to reach is from Sustainalytics. Again, click Sample to the right. Once you've reached the sample group, scroll down until you see Sustainalytics Sample. Click this link and you will see the Sustainalytics sample data sets that are available for evaluation. To search them, again, click the tile and complete the web query. If you need assistance with querying data sets on WRDS, please send us an email at reference-librarians@fuqua.duke.edu, and we'll be happy to give you a more personalized walkthrough of how to access and query these data sets. Thank you for your attention.